Turn on the handhold controller and pull the joystick. Turn on the loading board automatic adjusting mode. Pull the joystick. When the red warning strip on the side of the machine reaches the last stair, turn on the support wheel auto adjusting mode. Pull the joystick. When the red warning strip is about to pass the last stair, turn off the loading board automatic adjusting mode and pull the joystick. Switch to support wheel mode and push the joystick. Retract the support wheels. Switch to stair mode. Turn on the loading board automatic adjusting mode. Turn on the support wheel auto adjusting mode. Push the joystick. When the red warning strip is about to pass the last stair, switch to support wheel mode and push the joystick. Retract the support wheels. Turn off the loading board automatic adjusting mode and pull the joystick. Turn off the loading board automatic adjusting mode. Switch to loading board adjustment mode and push the joystick.
XSTO. Ease your way to every stair.